Oh, you... Ah! Are you kidding me, mate? There was a big chance, so... Last minute I decided to pull out. But... Oh, watch out, spinner. Another one. Yeah, we're not doing it again. Yes guys, welcome to a brand new video, and as you can see we're back on iRacing, but this time we're not on our road to 2K iRacing. We are in my first league racing competition, the NXT iRacing competition in the Mazda MX-5 Cup, which we're already quite familiar with. And today we're at the Nürburgring of the Grand Prix with the no chicane version, and I'm really excited. I joined in a previous race as well. It was on Daytona. Unfortunately I couldn't record that. Ended up 11 there out of I think 24 drivers, quite okay. I'm not gonna lie, this is not my strongest track, so I really need to work on improving here. And fortunately another driver called Gian helped me a lot, so thank you Gian, shout out to you. And for now we'll just hop onto the qualifying and just started. We have 15 minutes, so let's see what lap we can get and try to qualify as much up front as we can, and hopefully maybe catch the slipstream, because that's really overpowered in this race class. Let's go. All right guys, we're into the qualifying, and as you can see here at the leaderboard, it's already been going for like 2 minutes. First I want to try to set up a lap in free air, warming up the tires now, and after that we'll try to pick up a slipstream, so at least we have some banker laps, because sometimes you could just be unlucky with slipstream, and it's always good to have a banker lap, so let's try to do that. But yeah, I love the circuit. It's really technical, and we're here today with around 20 drivers, I think, so that's a fun lineup, and let's get our first lap together here. No, we're not going to make that. Oh shit.
I got this!
Oh no, do we got damage from that? That was so stupid. Yeah. Okay, this is not going well at all. I fucked up. We got 5 more minutes remaining. So I literally have 1 warm-up lap, and then I have the opportunity to do 1 good lap, maybe 2. Oh, fuck. Are you kidding me? We don't have a body to slipstream now. Perfect. We're so cooked, guys. We're P12. I thought there were 20 people in the lobby, but apparently it looks like there are 15. So yeah, then it's a really, really bad qualifying. I think I'll focus on warming up the tires really well, and then I'll check my mirrors to see if someone is closing in, and then I'll just join them. No, no. Oh, no. Ah, fuck. I suck at this track. It's crazy. Sector 1, I just can't find a pace. We're winning quite some here, but I think because we have the off track, it won't count. Of course, that would make sense to me. And the thing is, in this session, when the clock hits 15 minutes, it's over. You can't do another lap, so we're basically cooked. Should be over, guys, because you shouldn't be able to improve your lap time, but we'll see if you get 1 more lap as well. I don't think so. Yeah, exactly. Well, guys, the qualifying was not the best. It was maybe the worst qualifying I've ever driven, but it doesn't really matter because it's really chaotic with 20 drivers into turn 1. So the main goal here is just going to be to survive here in the first lap. And trust me, there's going to be a lot of crashes. So we just got to stay out of trouble.
Green flag. Right side, you're on the left, 3 wide.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Clear.
This is a shame. I already knew something like that was going to happen, but...
There's an incident ahead. You got a slow car on the right.
Alright, that's the first crash. We survived, that's what matters. We have still cold tires, so we gotta be careful with that. Oh, there's a spinner.
Go right. Go right.
Nice, we avoided him. Oh, whoa, sir, what are you doing? That's gonna be really scary with the network connection of this guy. Not my best turn, but we have slipstream anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Surprisingly, we all came quite clear through the first turn. But here, we're going to enter the chicane, and that's probably going to end up in tears.
Right side.
I think I'll let him go. Yeah, that was stupid for me. I should have stayed behind him, because now we're losing a lot of time. But yeah, I knew if I would kept my nose in there, I would probably crash. There was a big chance, so last minute I decided to pull out, but it was quite stupid. I should have stayed out anyway, but let's try to get back to this group. Ooh, okay, they're fighting here up front. Not going to attack him here, that wouldn't be wise. Someone's gone wide, but I think he'll be fine. There has to be happening something in a bit, because I can't believe with 20 cars that in 20 minutes time there wouldn't go anything wrong. Oh, someone's go wide. Oh, spinner. Yeah. I predicted it. Nice. Oh. This is scary. You gotta be so careful through the chicanes with so much cars. I think I'm losing a lot of time through this last corner here, because you can literally see them pull away. Oh, no, it's going well. No, I don't think I should attack her, because if I attack him, we both lose so much time and we lose the connection to the group in front, so I just gotta stay behind for now. Oh, but not hit him. Oh, spinner. That's exactly what I meant with don't try to push too hard. Yeah, here I could try to put it on the inside, but yeah, then you take so much risk. And you basically have like 50 minutes left of attacking with slipstream, so sometimes you have to be a bit smart with attacking. But someone behind me has almost double my iRating, and that worries me a bit because he's closing in, but we'll just see what happens. Oh. Oh my. Oh, mate. I need new pants now. Jesus, that was close. Wow, the top group goes crazy there. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, shit. I'm so sorry. Oh. I know. I'll let you go. I'm sorry, but he brakes so early there compared to the other drivers. Look at this group. It's crazy. How much cars are this? Oh. Oh, mate. I had to avoid him there. Ah, stupid moron. Because of him, he just... okay, we f***ed to the corner a bit as well. But that's really annoying. Okay, we're still really close to the top group. But that's pure to the fact of slipstream and that they're fighting. Oh, he's sending it. Okay. Just like he did with me. Might go wrong. It did not. Okay. Oh. 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 Oh, you... Ah! Are you kidding me, mate? Fucking hell. This is so annoying. Ah! Yeah, race is over. Yeah, fuck off. Oh, guys, we're so unlucky once again. It's crazy. Oh. Alright, guys. We are back. We calm down. It's not our strongest track anyway, so let's try to score as much points as possible. And let's try to get back on this race. Whoa. Okay. Wow. What the hell? My steering wheel wasn't centered. Holy shit. That was scary. Okay. There's someone on my inside.
Keep to the left. Clear.
Taking a really wide line here. Because I just don't want to take any risk here.
Clear on the right. Car right. Clear.
It's definitely not worth to dive bomb that guy into turn 1. Yeah, mate, what you doing? Oh, he's literally losing us so much time. Oh, please, please, please think.
Keep to the right. Clear, left side. Slow car ahead.
Oh, watch out, spinner.
Stop on the left.
Another one.
There's an incident ahead.
Yeah, we're not doing it again. Oh my god. Oh, I was so scared that it would happen again. Someone here probably has a penalty, I guess, since he was slowing down so much. And now we cooked our exit. Let's see if we can catch this group, because we really need the slipstream. Being a bit careful, because I don't think the tires are really...
Right side. Clear.
Whoa, okay. I wasn't paying attention, to be honest, but he was suddenly there. It was crazy. Yeah, I'm letting you go. I'm letting you go. Oh!
You got a slow car on the right.
What? What was that? Whoa, I wasn't paying attention. I was focusing on the corner and then I saw a guy flying. We're P11 without doing anything. We're literally surviving. What the hell? This is really bad, guys, because we lost our connection to the guy in front and now we broke the slipstream. And the guys behind me, they're getting closer and closer, so that's really bad. Oh, whoa. Okay, hello, sir. P10, guys. Okay, top 10. Really at one of the tracks that's not my best at all. Okay, and let's now try to focus. Someone is disqualified. What? Alright, guys. P9. I gladly take it. Oh, that was probably the best I've ever driven this corner. It felt really good. Okay, guys. Here's the plan. The guy behind me is significantly faster, so maybe I'll let him go, so we can just pull away together. Because it's not worth it to fight him. And then I can just pull away in his slipstream because he's faster than me. And otherwise, all the other guys behind are going to crush us. So yeah, that's not really ideal. If he attacks her, I'll let him go. He can decide. Alright, he's smart. I think I'll just let him go on the straight. Yeah, this is perfect actually. I'll let him go. Okay, look what I'm going to do. I hope he understands now that I'm letting him go purposely.
Keep to the left.
And then we can pull away together because he's simply so much faster. Okay, so now we got a good slipstream. There are 2 cars behind. We're still in the top 10. So let's try to pull away with this yellow car with Cos. And if we're faster, apparently, I can just attack him with slipstream. So, alright, as you can see, we're taking full advantage of him being faster because we can still stay close. Not that close, please. We need a good exit here. And we get it. Okay. And here you can see he's faster and he's pulling away. But we have the slipstream. But yeah, this guy behind, I think he's going to attack. Mate, what are you doing? Yeah, sure. Go for it, mate. I don't care. It's not worth it because we probably could have crashed and have literally like 0 points. Okay, but for now, guys, let's not try to accept it too fast. We still have halfway of the race to go. And there can still someone crash out. And we're still close. We're still in the slipstream. So we should be able to bring a fight. There's no one behind us as well. So I'm struggling to keep up, but I'm trying my best. I really need that slipstream to be able to stay close to them. Like, P11 is always guaranteed because the guy behind me is way too far off. But I'm still hoping to fight for P10, but I simply don't have the pace today, guys. Oh, there's a spinner. Please don't hit me. Oh my god, he almost hit me there. I was scared. I will be so mad if he hit me there with the unsafe rejoin. That will be crazy. Oh wow, there's someone off again. And the thing is that the guy behind me is probably a lot faster. He has more iRating as well, so we now gotta stay consistent and not give him the opportunity. And I'm definitely going to stay behind this guy as well, because it doesn't really benefit me if I attack him. Oh, then I don't need to hit him. Exactly, that's what I mean. So there's a crash. Let's say focus here. He's there. Oh my god. That's what I mean. You have to be so careful here. And now they're going to fight. You know what, guys? I'm backing out. You know why? Because this can easily end up in tears, and I don't want to be involved. Let them crash. It's not worth it. Especially not at the end of the race. See? They're battling hard. Okay, for now we're fine. This is actually a really entertaining battle to see. I feel a little bit like, who was it again? In 2021, watched the battle of Lewis and Max. I think it was Ricciardo who was just chilling and watching them battle it out for the championship. Let's see, guys, the last chicane and the last lap. I think something crazy is going to happen. They're going side to side into the chicane, guys. Yeah, that's gonna end in tears. I can already predict you that. Oh no, he lets him go. Okay. Oh, he does not. Oh, nice battle. Oh, that's a clean battle. GG to that, guys. Nice. I was too far away to do something. It's going to be drag race to the line. I think the yellow car got it. Alright, guys, P9. I'm actually quite happy with that. And you can see, like, in a really competitive field, even though if you're faster guys, there are always some spinners or some interesting moments. And we just took fully advantage of that. So, yeah, normally you can look into the results, but for this league race, it's, they check, of course, for instant after the race. So the definitive result may make us improve a couple of places. But for now, I think overall we can look back at quite an okay league race. It's a good eye-opener that I still don't have the pace yet to compete really well. So that gives us more motivation to practice. I want to improve. I'm going to watch back some laps and see how I can improve. And if you know some tips or have some feedback on how I can improve, please let me know in the comments. Let me know if you like this league racing videos as well, so I can think of making another one, because we have, I think, 4 more rounds. And if you guys want, I can record all the rounds and just take you through the experience and see how it goes. There's the standings as well, which I will share with you into the next video. And for now, guys, without further ado, thank you so much for watching if you made it to the end. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys into the next video. Ciao.